Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English Teacher. Today, we're going to work on a phrase you probably use all the time. I don't know. Now, here's the thing. I don't know is not incorrect. It's perfectly fine. But if you only use this phrase every time you don't know something, it can sound boring, lazy, or even a little rude, depending on the situation. Native speakers have many different ways to express the same idea. And by learning them, your English will sound more natural, polite, and confident. So today, I'll show you 10 better alternatives you can use instead of always saying I don't know. 1. I'm not sure. This is the most common and polite option. Example, do you know where the station is? B. I'm not sure, sorry. 2. I have no idea. Stronger than I don't know. Very common in casual speech. Example, who's going to win the game tonight? B. I have no idea. 3. I can't help you there. Casual, used when you really don't have any knowledge. Example, how do you fix this computer? B. Sorry, I can't help you there. 4. That's a good question. This makes you sound thoughtful. It also buys you time to think. Example, why is the sky blue? B. That's a good question. Let me think. 5. I'll find out. Shows that you're willing to help. Example, what time does the store close? B. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. 6. Let me check. Quick, practical, and very natural. Example, is there Wi-Fi here? B. Let me check. 7. I'll get back to you. Very professional. Common in business and formal emails. Example, can you confirm the schedule? B. I'll get back to you on that. 8. I'm not 100% sure. Softens your answer. Shows some uncertainty without being absolute. Example, is it going to rain tomorrow? B. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe. 9. Beats me. Slang. Very casual. Use it with friends, not in formal situations. Example, why is he late? B. Beats me. 10. Your guess is as good as mine. Funny and casual. Example, when will the teacher arrive? B. Your guess is as good as mine. 'Let's practice together. I'll ask you a question, and you answer without saying I don't know. 1. Why is she angry? Possible answers. Beats me. I'm not sure. 2. What time does the meeting start? Possible answers. Let me check. I'll find out. 3. Who's going to win the World Cup? Possible answers. I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. Now let's test your memory with a quick quiz. Question 1. Your boss asks, when will the client call back? You don't know. A beats me. B. I'll get back to you. C. Your guess is as good as mine. Best answer is B. Question 2. Your friend asks, why is she crying? A. I have no idea. B. I'll get back to you. C. Let me check. Best answer is A. Question 3. Your teacher asks, why is the sky pink today? A. That's a good question. B. I'll find out. C. Both are correct. Best answer is C. Well done today. Now you know 10 different and more natural ways to say I don't know. Remember, using variety makes you sound confident, fluent, and more like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are also learning English. Thanks for watching Daily English Teacher, and I'll see you in the next lesson.